'cause we're back to Shotgun Boy. And I'm feeling a lot happier because I just ate two chicken and cheese pita bread sandwiches. They're microwavable. They weren't that great, but they did the job. I'm no longer hungry. Thank you to whoever made them. I'm talking about the company. I'm the one that microwaved them, but I didn't create them from scratch. So shout out to that company. If I find out, I'll put in the comment section. Anyway, warning: I'm not even gonna read the warnings about the harsh language because you already know I love profanity. You should be used to that by now. I'm gonna read the warnings with the violence now. I've imagined this so many times. You know what? The moment. I feel even worse for your parents. They must be devastated. They have a shit stain for you like a son. Wait, I didn't say it correctly. Well, I said it correctly in the last episode, and that was like when it mattered the most, so congrats to me then. That I finally stamped a Songbin Yu. Hey, Guhan. But courage. Wanna say that again? It's fleeting. Oh, I get it. And what stands in its place? You decide this is the day you die. It's terror. What's he thinking? Well, see, what I personally would have done is I would have like kicked a window and like cracked it, but I would have grabbed like a glass shard and been like, yeah, that's what I would have done to defend myself. Because like I'm not. I mean, to be fair, what he did was probably smarter than what I'm thinking of. Like, I don't think I even have. Could I break a window? Like, I mean, I guess, but like, I probably wouldn't have been able to do it fast enough. However, I'm pretty sure that if these two assholes like saw someone doing it, they would probably be confused. Like, what the fuck is he doing? So I guess that would have distracted them. He doesn't even have any shoes on, just socks. Oh boy, you ain't gonna last long. Huh, you know what's even worse? If it was me, I would have taken the socks off because it's like wet socks and dirty socks suck. But then you might like fuck your feet up, so it's like, damn, do you want to deal with wet socks or do you want to deal with jacked up feet? Most people will be smart enough to pick the wet socks, but no, I'm all for comfortability, you feel me? Swish. Yeah, you're fucking dead, Guwon. Turn. Whoosh. Gah. What do I do? What do I do? His face. I've never seen him that pissed before. If he catches me, I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. We didn't even get to really practice yesterday. What are we gonna do about the talent show? We're so screwed. I know. Mira totally screwed us over, and this was all her idea. Huh, this girl is kind of scared. And there's Mira again. Do you feel better? Let's take it from the top. Hey, Hyung, you're not gonna mess up this time, right? Yeah, haha. I quit. What? Good luck, guys. Mira, are you serious? Being the town show was all your idea. You can't just quit now. Mira, hey! What in the world was gotten into her? Oh, well, you can see blood spots. So, what the hell was that last night anyway? I swear there's something wrong with her. Hey, Young, your roomie's with Mira. Did you ask her why she suddenly quit last night? Huh? What? Didn't she say anything? Hai Young seems kind of scared, and I don't blame her. I'd be too. Look, I know you're mad because I kept messing up, but that doesn't mean you can quit. This whole thing was your idea. This isn't fair to the other two. How can you be so selfish? So Young can actually stand up for herself. That surprises me. I thought she'd be a shrinking violet. If only I could. Oh, she didn't. It was all in her head. I'm so scared. We're supposed to be friends. We are friends. So then why am I afraid to be honest with her? Mumble, 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 mumble. Name Mira Han. Attended Yongchan Middle School. The youngest child has two older brothers. Born in Busan. Moved to Seoul in elementary school. Lives in building 509, apartment 307. XXXXX wants to be a K-pop star. Favorite idol group, Seven Boys. Is that even a real group? I, I guess not. I mean, it's like, fuck. Has a YouTube channel called Mirror's Miracles. Has 13,200 average 4,000 views per video. Man, I wish I had that amount because that's not famous, but that makes enough money to get to, to put food on your fridge. Damn, I wish I had that. I wish you guys would help me out like that. Heavy smoker. Switched recently to electronic cigarettes. Does not take school seriously. Likes another boy, Songbin Yu. Of course you would. Close friends. Bora Kim, Choi Hon Yu, Handful Kim, Yun Sun Yi. It's like Shin Yong Kang. Picks on her now, but used to look up to her. There. I've memorized it all. It's almost like she's an entirely different person. That is some seriously creepy sleep talking. So does that mean you didn't get to talk to her? That's how young for you has the courage of a small mouth. Bro, like you, sucker, you wouldn't have be brave enough to talk to her like that. I don't think it was sleep talking. I'm telling you, something's not right. And that was no. What do you mean? There was this smell. Oh, it's a weird stench that I never smelled before. Oh. That might have been the cringiest sound I've ever made in my life. Eek! Hi, Young. Is something wrong? What the hell are you going to do, Mira? You walked out on this yesterday. It's almost time for the show. Don't worry. What? Today's show is going to be incredible. That is the face you make when you find the leaked porn. Quick tangent. I was originally going to say something seriously, like, man, that is one disgusting face. It's so creepy. Then my mind switched to creeper. Then creeper switched to pervert. Then pervert switched to porn, so that's why I made the porn joke. So yeah, our brains are like all of that happened in like 2 seconds. So the mind's a wonderful thing, I guess. Oh, our trust, our love, our promise is everlasting. Whoa, he's so good. He's better than the original. They're so hot, except that one in the back. Boo! Get him off the stage. Are they talking about him? What do you mean some of them are missing? I counted students. There are 2 boys missing from class 1. What should we do? Forget them. Let's not ruin the fun. Shotgun boy. So it looks like Mira isn't the only one who has been possessed. I was gonna make another porn joke, but it's like, I need to stop being such a coomer. Pant. I'm lost. I've run too far. What do I do? Whoosh. Get a hold of yourself, Goyon. You can figure this out. That is true. Like, I know a lot of you are lost, and I don't blame you for that. We all have had our moments, but just know that if you really, really put your mind to it, if you really want to get out of a situation, you will find a solution. It may not be a good solution, but one way or another, your problem will be solved. No, it's a light grab. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so I did the slide effect too early. This isn't happening. Is this really the end? Or I knew this was going to happen. I would have just kept my mouth shut. I wouldn't have. I would rather die like. Well, no, because dying pretty young does suck. What the hell? Where the hell did he go? Damn it. What? It's raining. Damn it, I should head back. Why did you leave in the first place, Songbin? Were you really that desperate to beat his ass? God damn. Recorder. Boo! Get off the stage! Recorder, are you kidding me? What do you know about recorders? You plebs? Yeah, tell him. Tell him. Where's Songbin? I don't know. Damn it, we're screwed. It's all Guwat's fault. Haha, looks like the recorder performance got the crowd riled up, wouldn't you say? Alright, we have one more act left. We have Miran, Hyung Lee, Kim Hyun Yeon, and Soojin Park from Class 2. They are the Miracle Girls, and they'll be performing an exciting dance cover. Please give them a round of applause. Mirror, 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 mirror. I already forgot Blondie's name. Fuck. Whoa, what's happening? Man, they really pulled out all the stuff for the main event. Is this supposed to happen? I'm not sure. What's going on? Is this a blooper reel? My performance can bloopers, idiot. Hey, on with the show. Oh, look at Mira. What? Is this part of the act? Hello, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed your retreat. Huh? And now, it's time for us to feast on your brains. I'm alive. I'm alive. I made it. I tumbled down a cliff and somehow I still survived. Oh, shotgun and a pencil. I wonder what kind of shotgun is that? I believe it's a Remington 870. Well, I can't find the model I'm looking for, but this is the closest I could come up with, so you get the idea. I believe this is, I don't know what the freak that is. Moving company. Well, I don't think you're allowed to do shotguns and or any kind of guns in Korea unless you're going hunting. And even then, beaver movers? What's a moving truck doing here out in the middle of nowhere? Shotgun boy. Hell yeah. Is this a real gun? Oh, there's Songbin. Ah! Oof. Oh, nope, he was just imagining things. Songbin, come out. I know you're out there. I have a gun. You hear me? A gun! How strange. Why would there be a moving truck out here? I rolled onto its side, no less. And that gun. It's not something you'd expect to find in a moving truck. Songbin, hand it over. Stay back. I'll shoot. Are you really? Do you really think a white gun is going to fire? Yeah, it actually would. It's not exactly recommended, but I don't think rain can. I don't think it's gonna damage it that much. It's like dirt and debris you gotta watch out for. Besides, do you know how to use this thing? Snatch. Give it to me. Let go! A weapon like this has no business in the hands of a loser like you. Rifle butt him. Hell yeah. This gun is mine, you asshole! Pow! It's mine, you hear me? Mine! 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 Shit, my throat hurts. Hope it was all imagination, but. Well, I hope pulling the trigger wasn't imagination because he just wasted the show. Also, one thing that does kind of make me feel a little sad is the buckshot. It only hit the chest. I wanted to see that thing split Songbin's head wide open. New high score, congratulations. Well, that's amazing, crew. You set a new high score. I got lucky. Yep, so this is Hayuk, the guy texting Yuhan. Not the main protagonist from Sweet Home. What the freak was that guy's name? Cause I am so bad with names. I used to know it. Like it was so, and it was like an easy name to pronounce too. Hyunchan. Yeah. So as you can see, this is not the same guy. However, it is this guy who is his secondary character. Well, not secondary. He's pretty important. You want to try? I've never played a shooting game before. There's a first time for everything. Pow, pow, pow. Ding, ding. New high score. Congratulations. Whoa. Are you sure you never played this before? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little mad right now. Haha. You should have seen your face. You look like you were seriously in the zombie apocalypse. I imagined it was them. What? You know, those assholes. Splah! Oh, what's this? Dirty shells. Dirty shells. My class is 29 people. If I count Miss Kim, that makes 30. Quick word of advice. Wait, warning. This episode contains depictions of violence that may be upsetting for some readers. Now, I understand if you shot the bullies, like, I know I shouldn't because that's, like, terrible, but, I mean, they were harassing this dude, like, self-defense. I think it would be self-defense in this case. He kind of has to at this point. But, like, shooting the whole class, though, like, sheesh. And now, it's time for us to feast on your brains, shotgun boy. Murmur, 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 murmur. Look, Amira, right? You should have told us if you're gonna switch up your act. I'm not interested in eating your brain. What? Grab. But that doesn't mean I'm going to let you live. Huh? Snap! Drop him to the floor. Whoa, did you see that? What a show. Yeah, it looks so real. I don't know whether I should be thrilled or scared. Man, Mirror is so freaking hot. And you're such a freaking idiot. Leap. Dud. First things first. Split. Let's take out the trash. Squirm. No. Run. I said run! Ah! Oh! Stop! You're stepping on me! Move! Get the hell out of my way! But what's going on? What is this? No one leaves. Who are you people? Us? We're monsters. Hey, do something. You're the PE teacher. That's right. Save the children. Ah! Bam! Well, PE teacher is probably dead, but props to him for being brave enough to do a step up. Pant. Like human bodies. Our bodies are made of protein too. However, doesn't mean we're on the same level. Whack! Whoops, his head exploded. Boo! Sangwon, do something. What the hell do you want me to do? Didn't you just see what happened to the PE teacher's head? Don't you get it? We're not even human. Listen up, everyone. I need everyone to calm down. I'm going to describe some people. All you have to do is raise your hand if you think that's you. And be honest. Got it? Let's see. Anyone here rich? No one? Me? Aha, so how rich is rich? My grandfather owns one of the largest construction companies in the country. And my father is a National Assemblyman. You don't say. Money and power. You've got it all. But why? What a silly question. Why else? I want to be rich. Oh, what a great place to start. I mean, end. What a great place to stop. Especially since it's 8 minutes from my next class, so I'm glad I was able to finish this. Anyway, I hope you like these next couple of episodes. I'm really liking the story so far. It just updated yesterday. It says it updates every Thursday, but that's because they're in a different time zone. It update for us or for everyone in the United States. It updates every Wednesday. For me, it's 8 o'clock p.m. because I'm in Texas. I'm assuming most of you guys are in Texas, but I don't know. I mean, I do have 206 subscribers. Just saying. God, that was so cringy. Anyway, I hope I see you guys later. Bye-bye.